Right. The handsaw. Handsaw.
I can touch it.
No, this is not for babies.
This is for grown-ups.
Yeah, this is for grown-ups because it's sharp,
Not for kids.
not for kids.
Not for kids. For grown-ups.
Yeah, it's very sharp.
And this is very sharp too.